Adi Mehdi here, coming to you from Houston, Texas, northwest corner. I think it's about time to give you a project update because we're pretty much almost done here. We're finishing up our driveway. Look at this, it's a parking lot. Beautiful work. All clean. Doing the final finishes on the driveway. And let me take you inside to go into the garage so I can show you our final sheetrock work. We still need to paint, but we managed to install the garage door. Oh look, we changed the whole sidewalk here. Very nice. We were supposed to change up to that point, but we did the whole thing because it looks nicer and cleaner that way. You don't want to put old concrete with new concrete. It just doesn't look well. There you go. Yeah. Show you inside a little bit. Take you around the back just so you can see. Back here we're doing a small shed. Hold on. It's a 9x9 pad for a shed. Here we have the walkway. And this is what the backside's going to be. We're gonna pour this on Monday just because the driveway took a lot of work. And this back part. Man, this place is gorgeous. You should come see the rest of it. And here's the sheetrock. Look at that. Windows. That transom up there. We still have the garage door opener over there. The motor should go on that top side. And we're good to go. And the TV is gonna go up there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This has been a beautiful project, and it's finally nice to see it coming to life. Because when we hadn't poured the driveway yet, everything looked like a construction site. Even though we finished the home and the garage, but everything looked like a construction site. Now that we're actually done with the driveway, we were able to transform the whole property. Yeah, just even by walking out here, you can see. Let me know if you have questions. And if you have any projects or properties that you have to that you want to look at, if you have something that you need help with in terms of land development or new construction, please give me a call or drop me a private message. I would be more than willing to talk to you and help you get your project to the finish line.